Say, today we have to start here the atomic and physical properties of group number 16, 17 and 18. First atomic property we have to study. In that atomic property we have to study here the first atomic radius or ionic radius. Atomic radii. Atomic radii related to the size. See here in group number 16, 17 and 18 that oxygen family, halogen family and helium, neon, argon, noble gases. That will be element you have to write here. Oxygen family, halogen family and inert gases or noble gases. Atomic radius. Here in group number 16 from top to bottom oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. This top to bottom that atomic radii it will be increases. From top to bottom atomic radii it will be increases. Because here atomic number 8 then here 16. That will be increases means number of penultimate cells. That number of cells it will be increases. Number of cells increases, that atomic number increases. That's why their size increases. Size increases, that atomic radius it will be increases. In group number 17 also, that number of cells it will be added. Then as cell added from top to bottom it will be also the atomic size increases, that radius also increases. So, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Means here top to bottom that will be size increases, radius increases. In also group number 18 that helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon that will be 11. Means it will be also top to bottom that atomic radius increases. But in left to right in group number 16, 17 and 18 left to right in periodic table. Then in group number 16 that will be from left to right. It will be that electron enters in that cell. Means that size it will be decreases. Means opposite side that atomic radius from left to right. Comparative to oxygen and fluorine it will be decreases. Means here the electron enter in that cell and that's why it will be contract. That size it will be decreases. Radius it will be decreases. In whole in group number 16, 17 and 18 comparative that size atomic radii it will be decreases. Size decreases, atomic radius will decreases. Then second property. Second property is ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy. Okay, enthalpy that will be energy. Means you have to remove electron from halogen cell that required energy. Here ionization energy to ionization enthalpy. That property here we have to use. In LR standard to in periodic table we have to study that property. In here group number 16, 17 we have to study here the ionization enthalpy. Then in ionization enthalpy means you have to remove that electron. Means like required energy. That will be in group number 16, 17, 18 from top to bottom. That size increases. And size increases means attraction between that valence cell and nucleus it will be decreases. Means easily you have to remove that electron. Means top to bottom it will be decreases. Ionization enthalpy it will be decreases from top to bottom. मग असे गेला ऑक्सिजन सल्फर पेक्षा ऑक्सिजन पेक्षा सल्फरला कमी सल्फर पेक्षा सेलेनियमला त्याच्यानंतर टेल्युरियम कमी मीन्स दॅट विल बी डिक्रीजेस also in group number 17 11 that will be also from top to bottom it will be decreases. In 18 group that will be is noble gases, inert gases कारण हे इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव्ह करत नाही and that will be the cell completely filled. That will be completely filled. But in group number 16 it will be observed that ionization enthalpy from top to bottom it will be decreases because number of cell increases, size increases, and size increases means attraction it will be already decreases, and then required energy to remove that electron it will be less. Means top to bottom it will be decreases. From left to right, here that oxygen, fluorine after that means here that the electron enter in that cells and ionization enthalpy because from oxygen to fluorine it will be required greater. Because that electronegativity, third property is that electronegativity. Similarly here, that ionization enthalpy is left to right it will be increases. Left to right it will be increases. But top to bottom it will be decreases. That number of cells it will be added. As cells added, attraction decreases. Then ionization enthalpy also decreases. Then third property it will be electronegativity. Electronegativity. आता electronegativity means here. First top to bottom here oxygen is and most electronegativity than sulfur. म्हणजे ऑक्सिजनची इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्हिटी जास्त आहे कोणापेक्षा सल्फरपेक्षा means oxygen have most electronegativity than sulfur that means it will be decreased but comparative from top to bottom it will be decreases in group number 16 17 but from left to right then oxygen and fluorine oxygen is more there fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen means here left to right it will be increases means fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen but in group number 16 we have to compare oxygen is more electronegative than sulfur and selenium then tellurium is also here in group number 17 fluorine is more electronegative than fluorine then bromine than iodine but left to right here fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen means group number 17 is more electronegative than group number 16 we have to compare here that electronegativity from group number 16 17 and 18 and then fourth property is electron gain enthalpy gain means to accept electron here two electron it will be accept because oxygen that p two unpaired electron that will accept and complete two electrons so we have to study in electron configuration that will be 2p4 3p4 means p how many required p मध्ये किती इलेक्ट्रॉन असतात how many 6 electron means it will be required to in fluorine that will be 2p5 3p5 means 1 electron it will be required means here electronegativity that halogen it will be greater than that 16 11 that 17 it will be red means that acception of that electron gain enthalpy here it will be and chlorine bromine iodine top to bottom and left to right that less electron gain enthalpy that negative electronegativity same that will be observed here the property electron gain enthalpy it will be required 2 electron here it will be required 1 electron in complete its octet means here we have to study the general properties of periodic table applied to the group number 16 17 and 18 we have to apply that atomic size atomic radii ionization enthalpy electronegativity electron gain enthalpy means we have to study in group number 16 17 and 18 having noble gases they not required here the electron gain enthalpy because they are octet it will be already completed means this will be the atomic property then we have to study here the physical property the physical property means melting point boiling point that will be observed here the existence किंवा आपण काय म्हणतो त्याला ऑक्सिजन here physical property we have to study here the first element of group number 16 that will be the oxygen now oxygen that existence of oxygen it will be gaseous state diamolecule form मध्ये सल्फर सेलेनियम टेल्युरियम हे सॉलिड फेज मध्ये कुठल्या फेज मध्ये सॉलिड फेज मध्ये यांचे मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ that group number 16 that will be higher melting point this melting point becomes increases with increasing atomic number वाढतो तर melting and boiling point that will be increases from top to bottom number of कारण इथे 8 आहे इथे 16 means atomic number it will be increases that melting point also increases this here we want to study the physical property that physical property means here existence oxygen in diatomic form gaseous state sulfur selenium tellurium that will be solid phase either fluorine that will be gaseous state bromine liquid phase iodine solid phase is their existence then their properties physical properties this melting point boiling point atomic number increases that melting point and boiling point also increases in helium neon argon krypton xenon that will be here that gaseous state form मध्ये आहे monoatomic molecule but in gaseous state see means this is the physical property means their existence mean gas phase solid phase in liquid phase here it will be gaseous or there are solid there fluorine gaseous then bromine liquid phase मध्ये iodine solid phase मध्ये means that will be the property melting point boiling point the general property that atomic number increases melting point boiling point that property increases also here in group number 17 bond dissociation energy fluorine bond break करा chlorine bond break करा याची strength fluorine that will be greater than bromine and then iodine this in bond dissociation energy that will be the physical property in helium neon argon krypton xenon that physical property here observed in the 18th group that will be observed because they are monoatomic gaseous form मध्ये आहे. Means they have very low melting point and boiling point. That element having low melting and boiling point, that will be gas phase. See, these are the physical and that atomic study the four properties: atomic radius, ionic radius, then ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, and physical property: melting point, boiling point, their existence, means solid phase, liquid phase. That will be studied here. Then today we have to stop here.